Hello, I'm Nikita and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm visiting Tuen Mun over 2 separate days. On day 1, I'm taking you back to a place that holds so many fond memories for me. On day 2, I'll head to the Tuen Mun town center to visit the mall and do some activities. So, let's get started. Growing up, I used to come here nearly once a year with my family for a barbecue gathering with my dad's friends and colleagues. From what I remember, it's always either here or Kamsan Country Park. Over there is the place we would go to if the barbecue sites out here were full. It brings back so many memories. Everyone would be having good food, playing music, dancing, chatting, and laughing. Just having a great time enjoying each other's company. I really do miss those days. Off the top of my head, my favorite barbecue food has to be the chicken wings glazed with honey. Oh, and of course, the pork spare ribs covered in char siu sauce. They are the best. Once I finished eating, I would always sneak away to the beach. This is the exact same path I used to walk. It was the perfect playground for me, and I spent hours playing in the sand. The scent of the salt air, the ocean breeze, the sound of the rushing waves, the way the sand feels under my feet. There's a certain magic in it all that brings me so much joy. Oh, look at that bird. It's just enjoying itself today. I don't think this statue was here back in the day. I used to come here all the time. Well, almost every year. And I don't remember seeing it before.
Life is only a mirror, and every person that you meet. If someone makes you shiver and sweeps you off your feet, just be strong and find a way to try when you belong.
See those benches on the right? I actually spent a New Year's Eve right there. We sat there on a freezing, windy night, just waiting for the countdown. The food I brought was stone cold by the time we arrived. Hello there. There we were, shivering over a cold dinner on a dark, quiet beach, and waiting for the new year to begin. It was actually my idea. I don't know what I was thinking, but looking back, it's such a unique memory.
You will always find how to go on. Listen to the voices in the deepest parts.
This is where I'm having lunch today, an Indian restaurant called Quality Kitchen. Camera eats first. Okay, caught me. I already took a bite. The vibe here is so calm and welcoming. The staff are lovely and the food is great. And we are back. I'm walking to a shopping center called K Point. And this is where I'll be eating. I believe this is actually their only bistro in Hong Kong. Their other locations are cafes. This is my first time trying out the bistro, and I'm really looking forward to it. What can I say? The camera doesn't lie. You can see from this clip that I couldn't stop drinking it. It was so good. Okay, time to eat. The food's been sitting here long enough while I was distracted by that latte. I'm just going to mix the poached egg into the spaghetti. Here we go, the real first bite. I'm really enjoying everything here. And I'm going to the TMT Plaza now. You know, gotta get moving after all that food. And then I'm stopping by Marks & Spencer to check out the food section. This is one of my favorite biscuits. Honestly, I really should have gotten them. After that, it's movie time. I'm heading upstairs to the cinema called Stage. And this is the movie I'm gonna watch. I've got my popcorn, and now I'm all set. I've just come out of the movie, and I really like it. It actually reminded me of when I was little, and my dad used to play the Thriller DVD. I was absolutely terrified back then, but now it's so enjoyable to watch. Alright, thank you so much for watching my first video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I wish you all the very best, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!